Good evening, everyone. At Arthalit, we strongly believe that expertise alone is not enough. Expertise must be communicated effectively to create impact. So, today's practice session is designed to help transform knowledge into engaging online delivery. Over the next few minutes, Mamta, you will have an opportunity to present, receive constructive feedback, and gain insights that can strengthen your confidence as an online facilitator and an offline facilitator. Our mentor, Ms. Pushpa Pant, and I are here as learning partners. We will observe, appreciate what is working well, and suggest practical improvements off record that can help you become even more effective. Thank you for showing up for your growth journey today. Whenever you're ready, please begin. But before we delve into the topic, we have Miss Mamta Rao here with us with her topic, A Better Question. Over to you, Mamta.
Thank you, Radhika. Good evening, everyone. Uh, the question that we are asking today is a better question. So, in the next 10 minutes, we are going to talk about when we receive a feedback. Okay, generally, what is the question that we ask ourselves? The first question that comes to our mind is, why is this happening to me? Or, you know, what is wrong in what I have done? So instead of that, the other way of looking at it is when we receive a feedback, instead of asking, why is this happening to me? We can ask a better question like, what can I learn from this? That that gives us opportunity to understand, to grow, and to make it a to be better the next time. Pushpa, can you change the slide, please? Okay. So to to actually do this, to actually, I know we don't generally ask the type of questions that we are supposed to ask, but for that I will give you a small three-step practice. So the first thing is just replace the question that is running in the mind with, what is this teaching me? Okay. So when we receive a feedback, the first step is just pause and notice. Look for the lesson that this is going to teach you, and then take one action that will help you to learn something out of that. So just follow this three simple process, and then you will be able to actually understand what went wrong and how you can improve. Push for the next slide, please. So one actionable step that we can learn from this is just pause and notice, or just pause and think, instead of, and don't allow any negative thought to come into your mind, because we take feedback very personally, all of us take feedback very personally, but always remember that a feedback is given so that the process becomes better. It is not a personal attack or a personal comment. So just pause before we react. Just pause, take notice, and then see that there is a hidden message where there is an opportunity for you to grow. So shift will focus, like, instead of frustrating, we it becomes learning, and instead of blame, it becomes ownership, and from feeling stuck, we start taking action. Push for the next slide. So the key takeaway from today, I can tell you, is the next time you face any challenge, as I said, try replacing, why is this happening to me, instead of that question, what is this teaching me? Because growth does not happen just by awareness. just by being aware. Growth happens only through small actions. It can be even a small shift in the the thought process. So just ask the question, what is this teaching me? Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mamta. Uh, Over to you, Pushpa.
So, Mamta, your slides were apt, crisp, and perfectly managed with the time. And I should say that takeaway, pause and notice, a very meaningful takeaway from your presentation today.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Uh,
Pushpa.
abs- Absolutely, because one thing which actually stood out for me was when somebody gives us a feedback, it hits our ego. And that obviously is not a good feeling. And when we face that feeling, it is human nature to lash out. So instead of that, to pause and to take notice, it really makes a lot of difference. So, yes, a fantastic takeaway, Mamta. Um, so, personally, we feel that every strong facilitator has one thing in common. They continue to practice long after others stop. So, today's session was one more step in that journey. Mamta, thank you for your willingness to learn, um, receive feedback, and challenge yourself. Growth happens when we move from knowing to doing, and today's presentation was exactly that. On behalf of Atulit, thank you for your participation. We appreciate your effort and looking forward to witnessing your continued growth as a speaker, trainer, and facilitator. Keep practicing, keep refining, keep showing up. So, it's a sign off from me, Radhika Gotha. I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.
Bye. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.